my natural color is going back in already, but that's okay. So today, because it's gonna be like super hot, guess who's not doing a full face? Me. Just gonna do some eyebrows, so let's see how this goes. Duh. I'm like, I need the light. Okay, it's stupid. I'm sitting here in the dark wondering where's the light, and it's right here. Hey, stupid. So therefore, what's happening? I only have just a little bit. I don't even know why I did that. That was dumb. But anywho, that is a quick little video on how I'm gonna do my eyebrows today. Never mind my face. I have a dermatology appointment coming up. So yeah. So here we are. Maybe I should do some mascara too. Just kind of feel like it's not enough. One second. By the time I keep adding on different things, I might as well have just done a full face. But I'm not. It's gonna be really warm today, so I'm not gonna be bothered with that. But I think I will add a little mascara on just for some extra flair. Okay. Oh. Hello, eyes. Come on, lashes. Big difference. So you did the other one. Obviously. That's something. Nothing like your good old finger. But anytime you're working around your eyes, you really should use like your ring finger. It has less pressure versus your pointer, which just can really damage the eye area, which is extremely sensitive. So not bad. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now I gotta put some moisturizer on and all that good stuff, but eyebrows is what I want to show. Okay, bye.